In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Asana desktop app. If you're managing tasks or collaborating with a team, having Asana on your desktop makes it faster to stay organized, receive native notifications, and keep your work front and center. We'll walk through a simple, safe way to get the official installer, and I'll point out a few tips so you know you're in the right place the whole time. Start by opening your preferred web browser and going to Google. Using a search engine helps you quickly find the most up-to-date download link from the official source. Make sure your internet connection is stable, and if your browser shows a home page, just click into the address or search bar so you're ready to type. Next, type Asana Desktop into the Google search bar and press Enter. This exact phrase tends to surface the correct page immediately. When the results load, look for the official Asana domain in the links. You want to see asana.com in the URL. Avoid third-party download sites or anything that looks unrelated or promotional from unfamiliar sources. This is important for security and ensures you get the latest clean version. From the results, click the link titled Download the Asana app for mobile and desktop. That page is Asana's official download hub. Once it opens, take a moment to confirm you're still on asana.com and that your browser shows the secure padlock icon next to the address. On this page, you'll typically see information about both the desktop and mobile apps, but the desktop section is what we're focused on today. The layout may vary slightly over time, but the download option is prominently displayed. Now, click the button labeled Download Now. This is the main action that starts the download for your operating system. Asana's site usually detects whether you're on Windows or Mac OS and provides the correct installer automatically, so you don't have to choose a version manually. After you click, your browser should begin downloading the installer file. You may see a progress indicator at the bottom of the window in a downloads tray or in a dedicated downloads menu depending on your browser. If your browser asks for permission to save the file, confirm to proceed. If it takes a moment, give it a few seconds. Larger files can start slowly on busy networks. That's it. You've navigated to Google, searched for Asana Desktop, opened the official Asana download page, and clicked Download Now to get the installer. If you need to revisit any part, pause and replay the relevant section. Thanks for watching, and great job taking the first step toward a smoother Asana experience on your desktop.